Hello, it is the 6th of July and we are recording this in the studio of Direkt on behalf of Infront Finance. This is Nordic Market News and I am Melanie Sava. Looking at the Nordic indices for the week, the biggest climber was Copenhagen with a positive 2.2%, which had a positive effect on the N40, pushing it up to 1.1%. The year so far has Oslo leading the way with a plus 9.6%, with Helsinki close second at 6.6%. However, the N40 is still in negative numbers and Copenhagen struggling at minus 5%. Renewed trade worries struck markets globally and the Nordic indices traded lower as a result. The rare winners were found among seafood stocks. Salmon, Bakkafrost and Marine Harvest gained around 1% each on an otherwise falling index. The Norwegian OBX is known to be less correlated to the other Nordic indices due to its heavy exposure to the seafood sector and the oil sector. There was a setback in the Norwegian air shuttle discussions as IAG CEO told markets that he has not spoken to Norwegian air shuttle officials since May. Norwegian air shuttle is still up 40% since the rumor of the IAG-led buyout hit the market in April. The Swedish Riksbank stole some of the spotlight on Tuesday. While they expectedly decided to keep rate projections unchanged, one of the Riksbank's committee members voted against the decision in favor of an earlier rate hike, which was interpreted as hawkish and has strengthened the Swedish crown. The Swedish currency has depreciated close to 10% against the euro since last summer. Among stocks, Danish bank Olufsen were among Tuesday's winners, gaining 4% after a buy recommendation from ABG. The FIFA Football World Championships have affected the Nordic stock market. We have earlier reported that betting companies stand to benefit from the competition, but on Wednesday, Carlsberg stood as one of the winners on the Copenhagen OMXC index. The sunny weather and the championship has been positive for the sale of beer, according to Ritzau Finance, and Carlsberg gained more than 2%. Other than increased demand for beer, in the sun, trading volumes were low on Wednesday as the US held closed during the 4th of July celebrations. Thursday with calm, with a small and mixed movements on the Nordic indices, resulting in an unchanged VIX 30 for the day. Among notable movements in the single stocks, Barclays raised the target price for Norwegian oil giant Equinor, former Statoil, and the stock gained almost 3%. Prices of crude oil are growing increasingly favorable for oil companies. Since last summer, the price has gained more than 50% and the Brent is now trading above $75 per barrel. And now on Friday, close to 1 p.m., Swedish Assa Abloy rules the headlines after a quarterly report containing a profit warning due to declining demand in China. The stock is down by double digits so far. So that is all for today. The weekend holds an exciting game for Sweden versus England, so good luck to all and enjoy the game. And see you again next Friday.